welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this look using only drugstore products. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, of course. And without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. So today is, I would say, my second day. I washed my hair 2 days ago, and now it's on my third day. Yeah, third day. So we're on my third day, and I have very thin, oily hair. I want to go ahead and spray a decent amount. Onto my hair. That way it doesn't burn my hair when I'm ironing it, and you want to let it sit. You want to let the product dry up in your hair. And reason why is because if you spray this and all of a sudden you grab your wand and you iron it, it's wet, so you're kind of defeating the purpose of what the product is meant to help your hair not get burned. So in the meantime, you can divide my hair into sections, and when dividing my hair into sections, we are going to spray our dry shampoo on our roots. And I like to use the PEARLESSENCE Lavender Fields dry shampoo, and it's one of my favorite. I don't think you can get this at the drugstore, but I'm pretty sure they sell it at Ulta, and if not at Ulta, I got mine at Marshall's for like $5. This has, trying to find how many ounces there is in here. About 8 ounces, which is a lot of product. So highly recommend it. It doesn't cause buildup or like make my hair feel like, give me like that white cast, or make my hair feel like sticky. A lot of dry shampoos do that. From my experience, the only ones that are in Walgreens or CVS that I would purchase would be the Batiste, and that's it. Everything else just sucks. I feel like it even gives me like more oil on my hair. So once you divide the hair to sections, I keep looking at her because I have a mirror here, so I'm dividing it in 2 parts, and I'm gonna clip this up, shake the product. We're gonna start from the root down. I'm gonna grab the other section, and I'll just divide this one in 2. Here, so we focus on the root and just let it sit, and we'll go ahead and run our fingers through right before we go ahead and curl it. But for now, we're just gonna spray the dry shampoo all over the hair on the roots. So now your dry shampoo is in. I know you see it kind of white, but it disappears. So now we're just going to start from the bottom up. Just like that, our hair is fresh. Now we're going to go ahead and divide our hair into sections, and I like to start, whenever I curl my hair, I like to start from the bottom up. So here I have a NUME curling wand. I don't know what barrel it is, but I'm pretty sure it's like 32. I got this a long time ago, so I'm not 100% sure. So I got NUME, and I know these retail for a lot. I think one wand can retail for like maybe $60, which is crazy. But I got mine at Marshall's for I think $19.99, and when I saw it was NUME, I was like, I took it right away. I didn't even think twice. And so whenever you're looking for a wand, go to Marshall's, go to TJ Maxx, go to like Hot Look, and they always promote NUME, and you can get it for half the price, if not less. So recommend that. So when curling, you want to switch directions, and the reason why is because if you have all your curls going to the right side, it's gonna end up curling together, and you're just gonna have this one big curl, and you don't want that. You want more of a voluminous, big hair curl. So the best way to achieve that is to have one curl go to the left and the other curl go to the right, and so forth. That's how you would do your curls. Also, I always leave my ends out just so it doesn't burn, and it kind of gives it more of a chic look than as if it would if the curl went all the way down. It's something I've been doing for the last couple of months, and it's really good, and I've noticed my ends are not getting burnt or anything. So let's go ahead and begin. For my visual learners, here I'll show you that I'm dividing the hair in small sections. Here I'm going outward and leaving the ends out, as you can see. I want to keep the wand there for maybe about 5-6 seconds, not too much, and then release. And with the next section that we'll be getting, we'll go ahead and do it inwards. So here I'll be getting another 1-inch section, not 2 inches, and you'll see that my wand is now wrapping the hair inward. And that's basically what I mean when changing directions when curling your hair. For those of you who've never used a curling wand before, I do want to say that if you're a beginner, definitely use this heat protectant glove that it brings, and try to curl your hair with a long sleeve. And reason why I say that is because you can actually burn yourself when you're beginning to learn. I know I've burned myself a couple of times. So it's the best advice I can give you is wear a long sleeve and use the heat protectant glove that it comes with. Okay, so now we are at the top layer of our scalp, our head, and what I like to do is split what's on the crown area. Well, this is the crown area. To split what's on the top area in half. And this is what frames our face, and this is what's gonna frame the back. So the back, I don't really care. So we're gonna go ahead and pin this up. So now these two pieces, this is about 1 inch. I'm going to split it in half, and both of these are going to go outward. Since this is going to fall on my face, this way we're going to do it outward as well. Hold it for a couple seconds and release. The reason why I did these two pieces to go out is because you can see that it's kind of like the contour, and then everything else just flows. And now we're just, I mean, we can go out like this if that's what you like. I definitely don't. I feel like Shirley Temple when my hair is like this, so we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. So once the 10 minutes are done, we've let the curls cool down. And it's very curly and the ends are pretty straight out. So I'm going to be using the Argan oil of Morocco and spray it on the palms of my hand. 4 sprays. Warm the product on my palms, on the palms of my hand. And bring in the hair forward. Run your fingers through. And just like that, we've achieved this look, and it does not look like you have not washed your hair in 3 days. I wanted to go ahead and thank you all so much for watching, and also all the information of the products I've used for this hair tutorial will be in the description box. I'll be seeing you next Thursday, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching.